Guys, I am extremely pissed off. Remember how last video I was saying I would be really pissed if I got Bulldozer? Well, I got Bulldozer. Cue the sad music. Cue it. Okay, on to the actual video. Well guys, welcome back guys, and as you've seen in the previous clip, I got Bulldozer. Okay, so why I'm really pissed off was, okay, so I started playing Skywars maybe 1 or 2 years ago, yeah, so I started playing 1 or 2 years ago, and then I realized that all the YouTubers that I watched, they all had this one perk which made them chain hits and almost never get cleaned up, especially. Oh shit! I forgot that my rod is not in the right slot. You should just go die. Please, yeah. So it was not yeah, I could not get it for the life of me. It just was avoiding me so much. Until one day where I spent almost 150,000 coins just converting them into souls, and I still didn't get it. So that's it has to be a 0.01% chance. And then one day Hypixel releases an update where they say you can buy perks. So there's me at 0 coins, be like, okay, I'm gonna buy Bulldozer. So then what I say is, okay, guys, is this guy gonna die? Yeah, okay. So what I say is, guys, you need to help me. So I say to my friends, then we just grind Hypixel and I get 150,000 coins. And then I buy Bulldozer. Then I still have to upgrade it, okay? And then the next week, one of my friends, he just gets Bulldozer out of spinning one, well, just one. So I'm extremely triggered by that. And then, you know, then everyone's just like, oh, you're so unlucky. And then I said yesterday I would be really triggered if I got it. And here it is. Oh, this guy's no armor. Oh my gosh, I nearly fell off. Okay, yeah, this guy is no armor. This should be okay, actually he does have armor. I just didn't see his armor. Okay, stop please. Just stop. Don't be evil. Yeah, so that's why I'm extremely triggered. Because I got it. Yeah. Let's imagine if I got that 3 months, no, maybe 5 months ago. What is this guy even doing? Okay. Okay, I think this guy's gonna win. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, at least you guys know the story. So now we can just, go into the next game without me having to explain. Yeah, okay guys, so now that you know my tragic backstory to the Bulldozer perk, now we can talk about other things. Oh yeah, and talking about other things, yesterday we were playing some Skywars games, and we had the 1v1 of the century. That I think her name was Abby Elise. Abby Elise. Yeah, she actually is a YouTuber. Cause you know, after the video, I think you saw that she friend requested me, and she's a YouTuber. Yeah, she has 10 times more subscribers than me, but that's okay. Yeah, and yeah, that's just cool to see that I faced off against another YouTuber and won. Just kidding. My soul is just really good. Okay, my distraction to relieve the silence in this video has finished. Okay, there we go. And here, and here. Okay. Let's just, okay. That guy's Voltron. It worked. Okay, bye friend. Bye bye. I'm gonna expect that he didn't take anything, and the perfect piece of armor is just laying there in the... Watch as I just fall off. MLGs, just... You saw that? Just MLG. Ah, I can't get this guy. Okay. This guy is gonna die. Really? 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 How could he just do that? Oh my gosh. And here we are. In the middle. Okay. That guy is not my priority to fight. It's not a priority to fight. Cause he is just gonna wreck me. Funny. Yes. Very funny. Oh, I know what we can do.
Nope.
I missed! Oh my goodness. I missed. Are you serious? I missed. Oh no. He's killing everyone. He's slaughtering everyone. Oh, I know what I can do. Leroy Jenkins. There we go. There we go. Please, please, please. Where did he go? Hey, what are you doing? There we go. It was all part of my master plan. I had no doubt that I was unable to kill him. I knew I was able to kill him from the start, and totally did not just get lucky that that guy brought him so low. Yep, I had total confidence in myself. So please subscribe. Check shamelessly publicizing my YouTube channel off the list. Okay, now this game should be in the bag. Oh, but we gotta make sure, cause this is Skywars. Anything can happen. Gotta get the sharpness tree. Sharpness tree for the win. And there we go. We've just won the game. Watch me just fall off the map now. Watch. Just watch. Nope. There we go. That. I don't think we needed that to just 1v1 this guy. He has iron armor. Iron armor. No. Tomato client. What is wrong with me? Dude, I'm right behind you. Okay. In hindsight, I don't think we needed the shout tree, and I'll see you guys in the next round. Why does this keep happening to me? Where is this other guy? Is he there? Where is he? Please. 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 Just look at this. Look at me. Yes. 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 Very good. Very good. Thankfully, this is over. Okay. Double health? No. Never again. Never again is anyone gonna choose double health. Not on my watch. And I do not have a watch. Just to concern you. You cannot play Minecraft. Hey.
Nope.
Nope. That just didn't happen. Just didn't want to happen. I'm just gonna take... Oh my gosh, he's a testificate. He's a testificate! He's not even a villager. Do you even know what a villager is? He's a testificate. There's no such thing as villagers. Hey. We're friends. We're friends. We're friends, dude. We're friends. Dude, we're friends! Dude, we're friends. Dude, we're friends, right? Alright. Alright, we're friends. Okay, fine, you're dead. Okay. I tried, okay? I tried to keep him alive, but a testificate. he was behaving out of order. He didn't understand that I was the superior being. He tried attacking me. So that's why. Oh, my gear. All the gear. All the gear. Just give me all the gear. Just all the gear. All the gear. Why does the lava keep doing that? Okay, he's inside here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where is he? How is the lava? Oh! I see him. I'm gonna pretend I don't see him. Okay. I'm gonna pretend I don't see him. Okay. And I'm just gonna do like this. He doesn't see me. Hey. Well, that isn't nice. That isn't nice. Oh wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. All I wanted to do was trap you in obsidian. It's not that bad. It's okay, come back. You can't run away from death. Death is inescapable. Nope. Okay, guys, I'm sorry that took so long. I will see you guys in the last... When I recreated the join, because my game was lagging, this is the first thing that appears. Ms. Fire 03 has found the Bulldozer perk for solo mode. He/she must be so happy, so freaking happy that she got it /he got it. But I am so freaking sad. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even know the pain that I went through. 500,000 coins, I think. Yeah, about there. Spent just to get it. Just to get the stupid Bulldozer perk. I mean, it's not stupid in any means. It's so good, but I just couldn't get it earlier. That's why it's stupid. Okay, if it doesn't work for me, it's stupid. Okay, I know I'm very selfish. So I should probably get some help. There we go. We're in middle. Finally, that's like the fastest I've ever gone to middle. No, I've gone faster, but my name is Barry Allen. Aha. You see, I can make jokes, and all I got from that was... Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Do this. Oh, okay, there we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay. This guy. That guy's dead. I can do that. Splash some bottles of enchantment. Is anyone gonna actually come for me? Oh, you think you're safe, eh? You think you're safe, eh? Okay, yeah, she's safe. Actually, he's more than safe. He's alive. Oh, you thought you're slick. Bye bye. Is anyone gonna come for me to strength chain? Logged out. Wow. Logs out. Just casually logs out. If you logged out, I'm just gonna happily take your stuff. Okay? Don't mind me. Just taking some stuff off a dead body. That actually sounds really bad. Now that I said it out loud. That actually sounds really bad. What is this? Okay, I'm leaving that guy for the last one. Because frankly, I can't even be asked. What is... What? Okay, this guy's dead. About time! But now we can finally... I have no idea what this guy's doing, but I am scared. Nope, I couldn't get it. We couldn't get it. There's only one thing to do. Oh no, don't do this. Don't do this. What is your plan? You're gonna lose. Hello? What is his plan? Okay, I have no idea what his plan is. Should probably not have walked over that bridge. That was extremely risky. Okay, that's just being mean. That's just being plain mean. Okay, I'll put this on since this guy is sniping me. There we go. That's what I was looking for. The stuff of dreams. And now I can finally take him on. Okay, here we are. Here we are. I don't think he knows that we're here. I don't think that he knows we're here. Okay, just line at the bottom of this, like a gazillion pieces of TNT, and finally get back. Bye bye, and see ya. And GG. Wow, indeed. Okay. Extra. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next episode. See ya!